Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. In this class, I am going to study about sequence and series. So this is one of the most important chapter according to the JEE Main or Advance. Let's start the class. So in this class, I am going to discuss about definition, arithmetic progression, which is generally denoted by AP. Arithmetic mean, which is generally denoted by AM, and geometric mean, which is generally denoted by GM, geometric progression, arithmetico-geometric progression AGP, and sum of a special series, summation of series by difference method. So let's study one by one and hope that this class will be useful to the schooling students of class 11 having a subject mathematics, but it is most useful to the JEE Main or advanced aspirants who want to clear their basic concept related to the sequence and series. So now I am going to discuss about the definition. What is the definition? By a sequence, we mean a list of numbers. This is the meaning of the sequence. Sequence, it means that list of numbers arranged according to some definite rule. Or, or in other word, we define a sequence as a function whose domain is the set of natural number or some subsets of type 1, 2, 3, k. So these are enclosed by the braces or middle bracket. So this one is known as the set, and 1, 2, 3, k are known as the element. If a1, a2, a3, an is a sequence, then expression a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus plus an plus is called the series. So hope that there is no confusion to understand the sequence and series. If the term of a sequence follow a certain pattern, then it is called progression. So hope that there is no problem to understand the progression. It means that if the term of a sequence follow a certain pattern, then it is called progression. So try to understand arithmetic progression, which is generally denoted by AP. It is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive term is always same. An AP can be represented as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So the nth term Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So let's see the nth term, which is generally denoted by Tn, equal to a plus n minus 1 into d common difference d, which is generally denoted by small d, equal to Tn. It means that nth term minus n minus 1th term, or minus Tn minus 1. The nth term form from ind Tn equal to L minus n minus 1 into d, where L is the last term, sum of the first n term, which is generally denoted by Sn, equal to n by 2 whole start 2a plus n minus 1 into d, equal to n by 2 whole start a first term plus L last term, where L is the last term. If the sum of n terms is Sn, then nth term, which is generally denoted by Tn, equal to Sn minus sum of n minus 1 term, and Tn equal to 1 by 2 n minus k term plus n plus k term, where k is less than 1. So this is the some most important point related to the arithmetic progression. These points are most important, which are used during the solution of the question which are related to the arithmetic progression. Let's try to understand arithmetic mean. So let's see, any number in AP can be taken as any three number, a minus d, a and a plus d. Any four numbers in AP can be taken as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. Any five number in AP can be taken as a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Three numbers a, b, c are in AP if 2b equal to a plus c or b equal to a plus c by 2. Let's see an important rule, result of AP. An infinite AP a1 dot 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 an, the sum of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end is always same and equal to the sum of first and last term if example a1 plus an equal to ak plus an minus k minus 1 for all k equal to 1, 2, 3 dot 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 n minus 1. Three non-zero numbers a, b, c are in GP if b square equal to ac. If a, b, c are in AP as well as GP, then a equal to b, b equal to c. Let's see, put at a glance or focus here. If a greater than 0 and r greater than 0 or a less than 0 or r greater than 0 but less than 1, then GP will be an increasing GP. So we have increasing and decreasing GP. Increasing GP which fulfill this condition, and decreasing GP which fulfill a greater than 0 or greater than 0 but less than 1, or a less than 0 or greater than 1, then the GP will be decreasing GP. It means that in a GP, if we have idea about to identify A or, then we have no problem to say about increasing GP or decreasing GP. Important result on GP. It means that if A1, A2, A3 dot 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 AN is a GP of positive terms, then log A1, log A2 dot 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 log AN is an AP vice versa. In a finite GP, A1, A2 dot 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 AN, the product of the term equidistant from the beginning and the end is always same and is equal to the product of the first and last term. Example for A1 into AN equal to A1 AK into A n minus k minus 1 4, all value of k equal to 1 2 3 up to n minus 1. Audience or aspirants or students who are viewing this class with the help of the mobile in the portrait made words or class or letters are not easily visible, so I am going to zoom. So let's see, I have discussed all of these. So let's see the next topic, which is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is generally denoted by AM if A, capital A, B are in AP, then A equal to A plus B by 2 is the arithmetic mean of A and B. It means that if we have three numbers, A, capital A, or small b are in AP, then arithmetic mean here will be A plus B by 2. If, let's see here, if or small a, A1, A2 dot 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 A and B are in AP. So we have two numbers A and B, and capital A1, A2 up to AN are between these two numbers, then A1, A2, AN are the arithmetic mean between A and B. So A1, A2 dot 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 AN are the n arithmetic means between A and B. The n arithmetic means A1, A2 dot 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 AN between A and B are given by the formula AR equal to A plus R, B minus A by n plus 1. For all R equal to 1 to n. Sum of n arithmetic means inserted between A and B is in AP, then A1 plus A2 plus A3 dot 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 n. It means that n arithmetic mean between A and B equal to n A plus B by 2. So of that there is no any confusion to understand the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, it means that it is generally denoted by capital alphabet here A, B are in AP, then A equal to A plus B by 2. Therefore, A will be the arithmetic mean. So let's all together or in a short while we are understanding about geometric mean. To study about geometric mean, it is necessary to study about geometric progression. So here is the arithmetic mean. So immediately I call geometric mean. If A, G and B are in GP, then G equal to AB over root is the geometric mean of A and B. Of that there is no problem to understand arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Arithmetic mean, it means that A inserted between A and B, then A, which is the arithmetic mean, equal to A plus B by 2. It means that average of these two numbers. Geometric mean, it means that a square root of these two numbers. It means that a square root of A into B give us what? That is the geometric mean, which is what generally denoted by GM. Let's see here, if A, G1, G2 up to Gn, B are in GP. Here we have discussed about are in AP. Then G1, G2 dot 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 Gn are the n geometric mean between A and B. The n geometric means G1, G2 dot 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 Gn inserted between A and B are given by the formula A whole star B by A R by n plus 1. So this formula is used to find out the value of a arithmetic mean. Product of n geometric mean inserted between A and B is the nth power of the single geometric mean A and B. So let's see here, G1 into G2. So when we product all geometric mean between two number, then we get what? Then this is the what? This is the geometric mean of the number. So how that there is no problem to understand geometric progression and geometric mean. So I am going to develop the class. Let's discuss about geometric progression, but according to the studying rule or learning rule. First of all, we discuss about geometric progression. After that, we discuss about. So let's see, A is a sequence in which the ratio of any consecutive term is always same. AGP, it means that geometrical progression can be represented as AR, AR square, AR cube and dot 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 AR n minus 1. So the last term here will be AR n minus 1. It means that we again write down AR n. It means that AGP can be represented as AR and ARQ, where A is the first term, R is the common ratio, and ask us the nth term Tn equal to B by A लगा दिया A. So half that there is no problem to understand up to this step. The nth term from end equal to L by Tn minus 1, where L is the last term. Sum of first n term, it means that Sn equal to Holstein A. Holstein 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r and r not equal to 1. If sum of infinite terms which are in GP equal to a by 1 minus r, sometime it will be a by r minus 1. In this case, r, it means that common ratio is less than 1, but when we write down r minus 1, then common ratio is greater than 1. So any three number in GP can be taken as a by r, a and ar. Any four numbers in GP can be taken as a by r to the power q by a by r, ar to the power 3. Any five numbers in GP can be taken as a r square, a by r, ar square. So after that there is no problem to understand the geometric progression. Let's develop the class. So we are going to discuss about arithmetical geometrical progression, which is generally denoted by AGP. A progression in which every term is product as a term of AP, corresponding term GP is known as arithmetical geometrical progression. If the series of AGP be a plus d into r, a plus 2d into r square plus dot plus a plus n minus 1 into d into r to the power n minus 1 plus 10. So Sn of this one will be a by 1 minus r, and Sn infinitive equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r when absolute value of r is less than 1. So let's see method to find the sum of n term of arithmetic progression or arithmetic geometric progression. Usually we do not use the above formula to find them of a terms. In fact, was used the mechanism by the which derived the formula shown below. So let's see Sn equal to a plus whole start a plus d whole start a plus 2d whole to the power 1. Then this is the 2. So the step 1, multiply each term by r common ratio of GP, obtain new storage. So let's see this one equal to this one. Now I am going to zoom this one. So after there is no problem to understand to read arithmetical geometrical progression, which is generally denoted by AGP. So let's see. Step 2, subtract the new series from the original series by shifting the term of now series by one them. After there is no necessary to details the question. Sum of special cases or series, sum of the n natural number equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n equal to sum of nth term equal to n plus n by 2. So of that there is no problem to understand the basic concept related to the on. Sum of the sum of first natural number, and of that there is no problem to understand the NEP 2020, etc., etc. Now I am going to over this class. Of that this class will be useful to clear the basic concept of a student. In the next class, I will solve some questions related to this exercise. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.